Hello everyone, I'm Ronnie Pacheco from the VIP team for Spring 2019. On this video, I'm going to be showcasing VIP Story 210. Fields and maintenance tab that require date inputs should have a date picker. Let's just go ahead and jump into the website. I already have the website up here, and as you can see, I added a date picker every time we want to change something in here. For example, let's say Spring 2019 is there. Let's change it from 2017 0601. Just click on it. Say 2017 06 02. Just do that. And now it's safe. If you can see, it's already changing here. So let's just go to the project maintenance right now. We have the projects here. This is the second change that I made for the deadlines for projects. First of all, before we had to type the date that we wanted to have, and also whenever the website was loaded, it would just show the current date set on the text box. But as soon as the user would make any changes, the user might forget which date was before, and then they wouldn't be able to change it back because they didn't know. So what I did is that I added a little p tag that updates when we either load the page or when we save the date line. So let's just go ahead and make a little change. Let's do 2018 August. On this one, let's do Monday, the day before, so it'll be one day before. And then on this one, let's just do one day after, so it'll be 8/19/20. Let's just go to August and then let's do 20. So if we do that, then you just go and click on set deadline. Settings have been saved. And as you can see, this went to 20 and this went to 20 as well. We can just make another change if we want. Let's just make it a 21 and let's put this one to how it was, that it was 19. And if we set the deadline, dates would be updated. And we still have our date pickers. So that was everything. Thank you for watching.